One thing many business owners struggle with is photos. Not every business can make a photo of what they do and simply upload it onto their business page, be it a Yelp page or a Google My Business page or a Facebook page. It's not always that easy. If you're one of those lucky businesses having a bunch of photos you could use, that's fine, and you do not need to worry about this. However, even if that's the case, it is important to avoid one major mistake so many business owners make. Now, before I get to it, I'd like to share a short list of ideas for those who are not that lucky and find it a challenge to get a set of photos prepared and uploaded onto their page. Some of the most common examples would be therapists, coaches, advisors, lawyers, and consultants. So, what photos to use on your page? Now, before you upload the photos onto your page, make sure to prepare them correctly. Now, preparing means naming the photo, means optimizing it so that this particular photo, when uploaded, it will actually help people find your business. If you need any help with that, this is what I do, and I will be more than happy to help. I help business owners get more business from free listings such as Yelp, Google, and I do this by helping them get their pages optimized. So if you need any help with page optimization, don't hesitate to reach out to me anytime. So here's what you can use. Your business cards. Don't have like real business photos that you would like uploaded? Take a photo of your business card, another photo, make it on your desk, make it anywhere. Take a photo of your business cards. As simple as that. Now, your licenses, accreditations, your degrees, everything can be made into a photo. Use this. Your office, your waiting area, your reception, you can make a few photos just of that alone. Now, parking, entrance, map view, everything, all of these things can be used for making a photo. Just take your phone, get out there, and take a picture. Document forms. Let's say accountants. You have a large base of forms that your clients need to fill. Take those forms, take a photo of them, upload them onto your page after getting them optimized, of course. Now, your desk. Even if it's messy, it gets your potential clients closer to you because they can see you're a real person. Take a picture of your desk. It works great. Your office room, your facilities, another great idea to use for your photos. Just get out there, take your camera, take your phone with you, and make some photos and then optimize them and upload them onto your page. I hope this helps.